So here's the thing about Dollar Tree that most people don't realize. While everyone's grabbing the same plastic planters and garden stakes, there's this whole world of items sitting on those shelves that can become something extraordinary with just a little creativity. I'm talking about transforming your outdoor space in ways that look expensive, feel custom, and cost practically nothing. I've broken this down into 15 ideas that flow from your garden entrance all the way to your relaxation zones. Each one builds on creating that cohesive, magazine-worthy look without the magazine-worthy budget. Let's get started. Idea 1. Entrance Statement Piece. First up, we're creating an entrance focal point that sets the tone for your entire garden. Here's what you need. 3 metal buckets in graduating sizes, and here's the trick. Stack them upside down using strong adhesive, then spray paint them in a unified color scheme. I went with matte sage green, but charcoal or terracotta looks incredible too. Once they're stacked and secured, flip the whole thing right side up. You've just created a tiered planter that costs about $9 but looks like something from a boutique garden center. The height variation adds instant visual interest, and you could plant cascading flowers or herbs at different levels. My petunias have been thriving in this setup for months now. The secret here is the paint quality. Don't use the dollar store spray paint for this one. Invest in a decent outdoor spray paint from a hardware store because it'll actually last through weather and watering. Idea 2. Pathway illumination. Moving along, let's talk about lighting because ambiance is everything. Dollar Tree sells these basic solar lights, right? Everyone buys them and sticks them in the ground as is, but we're not doing that. Grab mason jar style glasses from the kitchenware section and carefully remove the solar light tops from their stakes. Drop each solar cap into a glass jar, and suddenly you've got these gorgeous lantern-style lights. Arrange them along pathways, on steps, or cluster them on tables. The glass diffuses the light in this really beautiful way that basic plastic stakes just can't achieve. I have 12 of these lining my garden path, and every evening they create this warm, inviting glow that makes my backyard feel like a secret garden retreat. Pro tip: add a handful of decorative stones or marbles to the bottom of each jar before inserting the solar light. It adds weight so they don't tip over and creates extra visual texture during the day. Idea 3. Vertical garden wonder. Now, if you're working with limited space or just want to add vertical interest, this next one is a game changer. Those wire cooling racks you find in the kitchen section, they're about to become your vertical garden system. Secure 2 or 3 of them to a fence or wall using zip ties or outdoor command hooks, then use S-hooks, also from Dollar Tree, to hang small pots filled with herbs, succulents, or trailing plants. The grid pattern creates this modern, organized look that's incredibly popular in high-end garden design right now. I've got mine mounted on my back fence with basil, mint, and thyme, and it's not just pretty, it's functional. Fresh herbs right outside my kitchen door, and the whole setup cost less than $15. Compare that to those fancy vertical garden systems that run hundreds of dollars. The beauty here is flexibility. You can rearrange plants seasonally, add decorative elements between the pots, or even hang small garden tools for easy access. Let's talk about something that always elevates a garden space: water features. Yes, I'm serious, and no, you don't need a $100 fountain kit. Pick up a large ceramic or resin bowl, a small submersible pump. Okay, this one item you'll grab from a hardware store for about $12, but it's worth it. And decorative river rocks from Dollar Tree. Set up your pump in the bowl, arrange rocks around it to hide the mechanics, add water, and plug it in. The sound of trickling water instantly transforms your space. It masks neighborhood noise, attracts birds, and creates this zen atmosphere that makes your garden feel like a spa retreat. I positioned mine near my seating area, and it's become my favorite spot to unwind after long days. Want to take it further? Add floating candles in the evening or plant water lettuce for a natural touch? The options are endless, and you're still under $30 total. Quick pause here because I'm curious. Are you already thinking about which of these you're going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're getting value from this video, show some love with a like. It genuinely helps more people discover these budget-friendly ideas, and I really appreciate you taking that extra second. Also, we're not even halfway through yet. And the ideas coming up, they're the ones my neighbors keep asking about, so don't go anywhere. Idea 5. Privacy screen solution. Privacy in a garden is priceless, but privacy screens? Usually expensive. Not anymore. Bamboo placemats from Dollar Tree are about to save you a fortune. Use zip ties to connect multiple placemats together, then attach them to your existing fence, or create a freestanding frame using wooden stakes. This creates a natural-looking privacy barrier that's perfect for sectioning off areas or blocking unsightly views. I used 16 placemats to create a screen around my composting area, and honestly, it looks intentional and decorative rather than like I'm hiding something. The texture adds warmth, and the neutral tone blends seamlessly with plants and wood tones. Bonus idea: weave string lights through the bamboo for evening ambiance. It creates these beautiful shadow patterns that look absolutely magical after sunset. Idea 6. Garden marker elegance. Here's where we get charming and practical at the same time. Those wooden spoons from the kitchen section? Garden markers that look like they came from an artisan market. Write your plant names using a wood-burning tool, or even a permanent marker for a simpler version, then seal with a clear outdoor sealer. Stick them in your garden beds, herb containers, or vegetable plots. The wooden spoon shape is unexpected and adds this cottagecore aesthetic that's so popular right now. I've received more compliments on these simple markers than on elaborate projects that took 10 times longer. Sometimes the smallest details make the biggest impact. If you want to get creative, paint the handles in coordinating colors or add small illustrations next to the plant names. There's something really satisfying about a well-labeled garden that also looks beautiful. Idea number 7. Seating area upgrade. Creating comfortable outdoor seating doesn't mean investing in expensive furniture. Let's talk about transformation using textiles and accessories from Dollar Tree. Grab outdoor-appropriate fabric napkins or small tablecloths and use them to create cushion covers for existing outdoor pillows, or stuff them with polyfill to make new ones. The key is choosing patterns and colors that coordinate with your garden's overall vibe. I made 6 throw pillows from my bench seating using $12 worth of materials, and they've held up beautifully. When they need refreshing, it's so affordable to swap them out seasonally that my seating area always looks current and inviting. Add a decorative tray for drinks, some candles and glass holders, and suddenly your basic outdoor bench becomes an intentional relaxation zone that invites you to actually use your garden space. Idea number 8. Artistic garden sculpture. Now this one is where you can really let your personality shine. Dollar Tree has all these interesting bowls, plates, and decorative items that can be assembled into garden art sculptures. Stack and glue various bowls and plates using outdoor adhesive to create totem-style sculptures. Go abstract, go symmetrical, go wild. There's no wrong answer here. Once assembled and sealed with outdoor clear coat, these sculptures add height, color, and artistic flair to garden beds. I created 3 different totems for my garden using mismatched dishes in blues and greens, and they've become conversation starters. People always ask where I found them, and when I say I made them from dollar store dishes, they're amazed. The beauty of this project is that it's completely customizable to your style. Modern minimalist? Choose uniform colors and clean shapes. Bohemian vibes? Mix patterns and colors freely. Your garden, your rules. Idea number 9. Raised bed border definition. If you have raised beds or want to create defined planting areas, those wire shelf organizers can be flipped on their sides to create interesting borders and edging. Partially bury them in the soil so they create a low fence effect around your beds. This keeps soil contained, prevents grass from creeping in, and adds an industrial chic element to your garden design. I've used this technique to separate my vegetable beds from lawn areas, and the grid pattern has this modern farmhouse look that I absolutely love. Plus, it's functional. No more soil spillover or unclear garden boundaries. Paint them black for drama, white for clean lines, or leave them as is for a raw industrial vibe. $8 creates about 12 feet of garden edging, compared to traditional edging materials that cost significantly more. Idea number 10, climbing plant support. Tomato cages are great, but they're boring and don't add much aesthetically. Let's fix that using garden stakes and decorative wire baskets from Dollar Tree. Flip wire baskets upside down and secure them to stakes driven into the ground. This creates these dome-shaped supports that look intentional and sculptural even before plants start climbing. As your cucumbers, beans, or flowering vines grow, they create living sculptures. I have 4 of these throughout my garden supporting different climbing plants, and the structure they provide is both functional and beautiful. In early spring, when plants are just starting, the forms themselves add visual interest to otherwise bare beds. Spray paint them in colors that complement your flowers for an extra coordinated look, or leave them natural to blend with foliage as plants mature. Idea number 11, rain chain alternative. This is the one everyone on my street has copied, and I'm not even mad about it because it's that good. Create a decorative rain chain using metal cups or small buckets from Dollar Tree. Drill holes in the bottom of each container, then connect them vertically using chain or heavy-duty wire. Hang this from your gutter or a shepherd's hook where water can flow through during rainfall. The visual and auditory experience of water cascading through the containers is incredibly satisfying, and it looks like a custom architectural detail. I attached mine to my shed's corner gutter, and watching it during rainstorms has become oddly meditative. When it's not raining, the chain itself serves as a sculptural element. Add small plants in some of the containers for a living rain chain that functions year-round. Idea number 13, shade structure enhancement. If you have a pergola or arbor, those sheer curtain panels from Dollar Tree can create dreamy, droping shade elements that look incredibly expensive. Drape them overhead beams, allowing them to flow in the breeze. The fabric softens sunlight, creates gentle movement, and adds this romantic, ethereal quality to seating areas. I used white panels on my pergola, and the effect is stunning. It feels like a garden room rather than just an outdoor space. The fabric holds up better than you'd expect. I just take them down during heavy weather and hang them back up when things calm down. For evening entertainment, string lights behind the fabric for a glowing, magical effect that transforms your space completely. Idea number 14, bird feeder haven. Creating a bird-friendly garden adds life and movement to your space. Those glass bowls and plates can become beautiful bird feeders with minimal effort. Glue a bowl to an inverted plate to create a pedestal-style feeder. Use outdoor adhesive and let it cure completely before filling with seed. The glass catches light beautifully, and birds actually prefer the open design. I have 3 of these at varying heights throughout my garden, and the bird activity has increased dramatically. Watching finches and sparrows visit while I have morning coffee has become one of my favorite parts of the day. Clean them regularly to keep birds healthy, and position them where you can actually enjoy viewing them. That's the whole point, right? Idea 15, seasonal display framework. Finally, let's create a system for seasonal transitions. Those wire wreaths and circular frames become the foundation for displays you can change throughout the year. Hang them on fences or walls and weave in seasonal elements. Spring flowers, summer greenery, autumn leaves, winter evergreen branches. The framework stays permanent, but the look evolves with the seasons. This gives your garden that always fresh, always current appearance without constantly buying new decor. I have 5 frames positioned throughout my yard, and swapping out seasonal elements takes maybe 30 minutes, but makes the whole space feel renewed. Secure items with floral wire, yes, also from Dollar Tree, and don't be afraid to get creative. Dried flowers, herbs, even vegetable vines can become part of your rotating displays. So there you have it, 15 Dollar Tree transformations that completely changed my backyard without emptying my wallet. The total investment? Under $100 for everything, compared to what professional landscaping or high-end garden decor would cost. Here's what I want you to do next. Pick one idea from this video, just one. Start there. You don't have to transform everything overnight. Choose the project that excites you most, grab those supplies this weekend, and send me a picture in the comments. I genuinely love seeing your creations. If this video helped you see your garden's potential differently, smash that like button so more budget-conscious gardeners can discover these ideas. And definitely subscribe to Garden Homes because we're just getting started. I've got more transformations, seasonal projects, and money-saving strategies coming your way every single week. Your dream garden is absolutely possible regardless of your budget. It just takes a little creativity, some elbow grease, and the willingness to see potential in unexpected places. Until next time, keep growing, keep creating, and remember, your garden should bring you joy, not financial stress. Happy gardening, friends!